it is a sad truth that most innovative ideas won't really be successful. So you have an idea for something new and you are very excited about it. You think that's a really great idea. But now, as soon as you try to put it to the market, to bring it to the market, you realize maybe you were the only one who were really excited about that. And that is why it is kind of common sense in the innovation community that we need to test our ideas very soon, very early and very cheap. And I'm not talking about the feasibility test. I'm not talking about whether the idea will work. I'm talking about whether there is a market for it, whether it is desirable to do that. Now the problem is when the idea is about a complex service or a process, then it's a lot harder to test that. And this is the problem that we also have here in the Innovation Booster Microtech. It's that most ideas are about processes and about more complex services. So if you want to join me in the workshop at Jabil, where I'm giving a short input and the workshop around that subject, it's how to reduce uncertainty for ideas that are about rather complex services and processes, then I'm happy to see you there. So my name is Jean-Philippe Hagmann and I would like to see you at the workshop.